And I don't wanna let go. I know I'm not that strong. I just wanna hear you saying, baby, let's go home. Loving and fighting, accusing, denying. I can't imagine a world with you gone. Joy in the chaos, the demons were made of. I'd be so lost if you left me alone. You locked yourself in the bathroom, lying on the floor when you break through. Pull you in and feel your heartbeat. Hear me screaming, please don't leave me. Hold on, I still want you. Come back, I still need you. Let me take your hands, I'll make it right. Swear to love you all my life. Hold on, I still need you. Long endless highway, silent beside me, driving a nightmare I can't escape from. Helplessly praying the light isn't fading, hiding the shock and the chill in my bones. They tuck you away on the table. I pace back and forth as you lay still. Pull you in and feel your heartbeat. Hear me screaming, please don't leave me. Hold on, I still want you. Come back, I still need you. Let me take your hands, I'll make it right. I swear to love you all my life. Hold on, I still need you. And I don't